What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Matt's Best Foods. Today we've got a real treat for you. It's going to be a Philly cheesesteak. Now we're going to do everything from start to finish on the barbecue. I know in some places, you'll do your onions and what have you separately on the hob or whatever it is, but no, we're going to do everything on the coals. So let's get into it. What we've done for our Philly cheesesteaks is I've got a bit of a fire going with some wood. I just find it helps to get the heat up a little bit. As you can see, I've got some of the old coals there. Again, we don't want to waste them. We're going to use them till they disintegrate. So that's all good there. And I'm going to get some of these briquettes again, Weber briquettes, Weber grill. Not really hinting that hard about it, but hey Weber, look at this. Anyway, let's get these on. That should be the trick. For our Philly cheesesteaks, we're going to use a bit of a ciabatta roll here. Pre-bought one this time around. Maybe in a future video we'll make our own. But for today, we're going to use this. So we're doing everything on the grill, start to finish. So we're just going to take it as is, put in some tin foil, wrap it up, and get it on the fire. So for our Philly cheesesteaks today, I've just got some rump. You can use any steak you prefer, but obviously this is just a cheaper option for what we're doing it with. So I'm just going to season them simply with a little bit of salt. Get a good coverage of that. Some pepper. And some garlic powder. So we've got our steaks. They've been sitting with the salt, pepper and garlic powder for about an hour. I say an hour because we're just waiting for the coals to get to the right temperature. So we're going to start off with searing them. Get a bit of a crust going on there. And again, if you go back and look at my previous video, with massive cowboy steaks, you'll see that we're going to want to turn this regularly, otherwise it will burn. Right, it's got a good enough crust for my liking, so we're going to pull them off to the side here. That's it. There we are. Cover them up, bent over the meat, so we get the heat to draw up and over. And we'll cook it to about a rare, medium rare, because don't forget, with a Philly cheesesteak, it doesn't really matter how you have the meat done. It can be well done, whatever you prefer. We're going to have it possibly well done by the end of it, because it is going to go through a second cooking process on our cast iron top. So I'm not really phased if it is rare, medium. When I take it off, it doesn't matter. Alright, so now our steaks have been cooking for about 5 minutes or so, and I think that's all they need for the minute. There we are. That'll definitely do the trick. Right, we're going to pull them off, set them to one side. But like I said, we're not worried about if they're medium well, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It's all going into a sandwich. Actually, just out of curiosity, let's have a look at one of them. Yeah, I'll say it's about medium to well. So whilst we're waiting for everything to get to where it needs to be, let's chop up these steaks into strips. There we are, over there. So they have been resting for a bit, and as you can see, they've gone past to more of a well done state, but again, as I said previously, it does not matter. The ciabatta is done. As you can see, it's toasted nicely. I'm just going to cut it in half. There we are. Right, now we're going to toast the inside of it. Follow me. Right, I'm going to get it on top here. Now it shouldn't take too long, so we're going to keep a close eye on it. And basically, we just want a light toast in there. We don't want it too crunchy, because we've got the external here that's got all the crunch, all the texture that you need. So we've lightly toasted the ciabatta now. We'll get the onions on. And keep them moving. Cook through. So our onions have cooked down now. Now we're going to add the steak back to it, hopefully without dropping it off of the grill bit. That's on there, there we are. Right. Try and give it a gentle mix. Incorporate everything. Come back. Yeah. Right, so into this now we're going to add some mustard. You don't have to, this is optional. Just for a little bit of flavour. Yeah. If we can get that mixed in too. Tell you what, though, the smell of it, I don't know, there's a combination of steak and onions that is just incredible. The smell of it, taste of it, you can't go wrong. Right, there we go, flatten that out a bit more. Then, now, for something different, we've got two cheeses for this. I've got some sharp cheddar and burger cheese. Why? Because the burger cheese melts a bit easier, like mixes in together with everything. And the cheddar is just for a bit more of a potent flavour of cheese. So let's get all that on there. There we are. Good amount of cheese, that. Alright. And again, we go through the process of mixing it all together. Right, here's our ciabatta roll. Let's scoop them up. Oh, look at that. Oh, nearly dropped one. This is a mega sandwich. There. Ah, a little bit more. There we are, got it. All right. there you go, folks. That's my barbecue Philly cheesesteak. At least my interpretation of it. Now, from the look of it and the smell of it alone, I know it's going to be excellent. So, yeah, we're going to get into this, enjoy it, and well, I hope you enjoyed the video too. And if you did, you know what you need to do. You need to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, maybe even share it. You know, that will help out great. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.